Is one video light enough to light your underwater video footage even if you're shooting wide angle? That's what we're going to find out in today's video. Hi and welcome back to the Underwater Filmmaking School, and thank you very much for joining me here today out to the Lake of Zurich. As you can see, I'm out here by the water and just about to get in the water for a test that came up, or the idea for this test came up a little while ago when I had all my underwater video lights given away, lent to friends of mine, and I meant to go for a dive, just a fun dive, take some shots while I was down there at the same time, and I realized that I've only had one underwater video light left with me. All other ones were given away, lent to friends. So the question came up, can I dive with that one single light, even if I was gonna capture some wide angle shots? So today's video is just about that. I'm going to take my underwater camera setup and just one single underwater video light and see if I can get some decently lit shots with just that one light. Now, as I was preparing for this video today and just getting ready to head out here to the lake, I received this message here.
Matthias, sorry it took so long, but I finally got to click that one off the list. So I guess it's my turn to challenge you. And you know what? I know you're locked down in Switzerland. I don't have a lot of options about what to challenge you to. Last time I challenged you to freshwater lobster in the Lake Zurich. So this time I'm gonna say pike. I want some freshwater pike. I know it's the middle of winter, makes it even more awesome for me. I want you to go ice diving, or maybe it's just cold, I don't know, and find and film some pike there in Switzerland. So there you go, Matthias, that is your critter challenge for now.
Thank you very much, Critter Hunter, for that new challenge. And I thought to myself, why not combine this challenge with the video that I was gonna do today anyways, and get it done all at the same time. So that's what we'll do. We'll try out the single underwater video light to see whether that actually is capable of illuminating and lighting my video, my wide angle footage, wide angle shots. And at the same time we'll be looking for some pikes, because I know that at the dive site that is beside or behind me here at the moment, I know there is a couple of local pikes that live here, so we'll go and have a look for them between the seagrass. Now, the equipment that I'll be using to capture today's dive is my trusted GH5S in the Nauticam housing. I'm also using the Ninja 5 monitor in also a Nauticam housing connected through a HDMI cable. And I'll be using a single underwater video light by the company Orca Torch. It's their D910V, a 5000 lumen underwater video light. So, enough talking, let's get in there and see what our findings are. So that was a little bit disappointing, actually in quite a few different ways. Sorry, Justin, I didn't find your pike. The 2 or 3 resident ones that live on this dive site, they didn't seem to be at home today. I couldn't find them anywhere. And the other really disappointing thing was that I wasn't even able to conduct a test regarding the one single light to shoot wide angle video underwater, simply because as soon as I got into the water and wanted to turn on the light going for the dive, it wouldn't do anything. It wouldn't turn on. There wasn't anything that I could do. I tried to push the button several times and there's only that one button there, so there's not much you can actually do underwater if that doesn't work. And for whatever reason it did not work, and I wasn't able to get any light output from like, we got some company here. Cute. Yes, I wasn't able to get any light output from the video light from the Orca Torch D910V while being underwater, and that was very disappointing because that kind of destroyed the entire purpose of today's dive. Nevertheless, I think we got some really nice shots even without any light, just the sun that was shining in. I was only in about 5 or 6 meters of water, and I really couldn't stay much longer than what I did. I stayed for about 25 minutes, but the water temperature was like 6 degrees Celsius, so just too cold to make it a long dive. And once I got out of the water and I unscrewed the battery pack of the light and screwed it back on, it started working again. I don't know what that is. I'll have to reach out to Orca Torch and see with them if they are familiar with a problem in that torch, in that underwater video light or not, and see what we can do about it. But this is not being pushed aside. It's basically just been delayed, this test. Next time I'll get into the water, I'll try to get that test done again properly and let you guys know about it. Same goes with the search for the pike. Sorry Justin, today was just not my lucky day, but I'll try again in a week or 2 and let you guys know how I do. So that's about it for me from today. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I hope this video wasn't too much of a disappointment. I hope you still enjoyed today's episode, today's video, and if this is the case, please do not forget to hit that like button. Also consider subscribing to the channel for more content like this in the future. Thanks again for your time, and I will see you in the next one.